The beach is not just a place, it's an attitude towards life. It's a state of mind that embraces relaxation, adventure, and the beauty of nature. Whether you're lounging on the warm sand, diving into the crystal clear waters, or strolling along the shoreline, the beach offers a unique experience that goes beyond mere physical presence. At the beach, time seems to slow down as the soothing sound of crashing waves and the gentle touch of a cool breeze wash away the stresses of everyday life. It's a sanctuary where you can escape from the hustle and bustle of the city, immersing yourself in a tranquil environment that rejuvenates both body and soul. But the beach is not just about relaxation. It's also a playground for adventure seekers. From thrilling water sports like surfing, snorkeling, and jet skiing to beach volleyball and sandcastle building competitions, there's an endless array of activities to keep your adrenaline pumping. The beach encourages you to step out of your comfort zone and embrace new challenges, fostering a sense of excitement and accomplishment. Moreover, the beach is a canvas of natural beauty that captivates the senses. The vibrant colors of the sunset painting the sky, the delicate seashells scattered along the shore, and the diverse marine life thriving beneath the surface all contribute to an awe-inspiring experience. It's a reminder of the wonders of our planet and the importance of preserving its precious ecosystems. Beyond its physical allure, the beach also embodies a carefree and laid-back lifestyle. It's a place where schedules and deadlines fade away, replaced by the freedom to simply be in the moment. Whether you're sipping on a refreshing cocktail, indulging in delicious seafood, or engaging in conversations with fellow beachgoers, the beach fosters a sense of community and connection. It's a reminder to slow down, appreciate the simple pleasures in life, and cherish the company of loved ones.